Hey guys, all things Dami here and welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know, on this channel we do all things hair care, nursing, and we vlog it all. In today's video we do have a vlog, a special vlog for you guys. I am actually showing you guys my first travel nurse housing. We're doing an apartment tour. Yep, that's right. If you guys want to see more content, more travel nurse content, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe. And I guess without further ado, let's go see my crib. Come on. All right, guys, come with me. Let's come in. So, closing the door. I love how, first of all, there's two locks. Beautiful. So when we get into the door, we have the front closet. So it comes with the mop, the broom, the vacuum. Love that. It is carpet, but I mean, I'm not picky. Then we walk into the kitchen. And so before I show you guys the actual kitchen, I want to show you guys the laundry room. And so it does come with like an inbuilt unit washer and dryer. Love that for me. Some extra storage space. Looks like it's pretty spacious. Honestly, way more space than I even need. After that, we're back into the kitchen, and here is the kitchen. And look, they're so cute. Guys, look at all the goodies that came with this place. Chips, all this stuff you guys can see. In the cupboards, they gave a whole bunch of cups, different types of glass and dishware. They literally gave me everything that I would need. It's giving all-inclusive. Just look at that. Everything that I would need is there. Didn't have to bring anything from home. This is exactly what I wanted. So after leaving the kitchen, we have this little area. So cute, little bar stools for breakfast. And I guess this is like my dining table for one. Still very cute. As you guys can see, this place is extremely spacious. Coming over to this side, my favorite room in the house, we have the living room. It's honestly the attention to details for me. Yes, yes, give me color, give me gold. Yes, give me accents. Coming this way, we do have a balcony. I'm not gonna go out there right now, but like you guys can see, I do have my own balcony with two chairs and a table. And then I also have my big screen TV with the hidden wires. Yes, 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 yes. Honestly, guys, can we give it up for the living room? I freaking love the living room. I'm looking at this place and I'm like, this is like family of six. Like, I don't even need all this space. Like, whoa, like, whoa. And one thing that I'm gonna show you guys, this is like the added bonus, but when I was getting this house, I had no idea. Like, they're showing me pictures of like a room with a desk, and a lot of the other housings that I saw, there was just like a desk in the living room. They just kind of made sure that you had like study space. Not realizing that this place, the desk that I was seeing was actually in a whole different room. So I basically have a second bedroom, which they're calling a den, but this den is huge. Let's go look at the den. So this is what they're calling a den. Comes with a desk to study, a beautiful view, beautiful windows, and then a nice little chair to relax in. And it comes with a whole closet. Like, what? Guys, I'm 100% gonna set up all my stuff here and just have my filming space in here. Like, this is like dream housing right now. Honestly, friends, if you're watching and you guys want to come over and you see me putting you guys in this room and you see that I've turned this room into a bedroom, just don't say anything. Okay, so you guys have seen the kitchen, you've seen the laundry room, you've seen the den, you've seen the living room, you've seen my dining table for one. Now let's go check out my bedroom. All rooms have like a fan and a light, which is really nice. And then let's check out my walk-in closet. way more space than I like even need. What? This is the one jacket that came with me from Toronto. And then my stuff. Just want you guys to see like how big it is. Jeez. All right, so now we are going to the bathroom, which is right across from my room. LOI. Look at what it came with. Oh, yes, they took good care of me and not even gonna cap. Making sure I have new shit and like a hairdryer. Okay, guys, I know that like this place is kind of a lot. I'm not even gonna cap. I did get this housing. I did get this housing through Hello Landing. I am gonna make a video on like all the different types of housing and travel nurse and this and that because as expensive as you think this might have been, it's a lot cheaper than an Airbnb. Some people were even offering a room in someone's house, and I'm just like, with the discounts, I got discounts through Furnished Finders, and I got a discount through being a new member. And so this made this place so affordable, like cheaper than a hotel, cheaper than an Airbnb, and look at all that comes with it. There is a Trader Joe's in walking distance, and Ulta Beauty, because you know, hair care, skin care, yes. All of that is in walking distance, and so I said, why not? I'm 10 minutes away from my hospital, and it's giving black luxury. It's giving luxury, it's giving comfort. Thank you. So it also, I'm just reading it off the website. It also comes with 24/7 concierge, which is something that I just wanted just for the comfort. Like I'm saying again, like when you're in a country by yourself, you really just want to make sure you're comfortable. You want to do all things to protect yourself, especially safety is like just number one in my eyes. And so I'm not going to skimp out on price for safety. So there's a media room, there's 24/7 concierge, there's like summer hammocks, there's a pet spa, doesn't concern me. There's a playground. I think that's what we just saw outside. There's like it says co-working space, but I saw it. It's an actual like, just like tables, whatever. There's a pool, there's grill stations, a lounge, a coffee bar, yoga studio, 24-hour fitness center, and a pool table. The fact that the fitness center is open 24 hours is also a really big thing. Obviously coming here, you know, I said I'm gonna work out. And so just be like, there's literally no excuse. Like on your off days, after your night shifts, damn, you're gonna go and work out. But yeah, I hope you guys liked my apartment tour. This is gonna be like probably the first of many. I don't know if I'm gonna get such a big place next time. I truly just didn't even understand what I was looking at online, but no regrets, no regrets. Like I'm good, love, wallahi. I don't know if you guys know, but like I had to stay in a hotel for 11 days waiting for this place to be open, and it was well worth the wait. 11 days in a hotel. I couldn't even cook, couldn't do much on my own. Now I have this huge apartment to myself. Way more than I even need. But yes, this is going to be home base for the next 10 weeks. I'm so excited. Honestly, guys, if you guys like whatever you guys want to know about travel nursing, let me know. When I go to work, when I get into these streets, I'm gonna keep this in mind and get more video and more content out for you guys. If you guys want more videos from me in general, please give this video a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week in another video. Just like they say on MTV Cribs, you don't have to go home, but you do have to get out of here. Is that how they say it? Honestly, it's funny because in 12 weeks I'm going back to my mom's house, but then I'm gonna move out again. Like this is gonna be my life. First, I don't even know. This is really exciting. This is so exciting. I can't wait to cook.